shifting activity. Now, when we say coaching is a belief shifting activity, how do we build beliefs and how do we rebuild new beliefs? That's the process every coach needs to understand, right? Because selecting the beliefs, everyone, just imagine what I'm saying, is not in your hand. Beliefs get automatically developed because the way you have seen parenting, the way you have seen things happening. Yesterday I was in a restaurant and I heard one conversation. I've stopped giving my best in my company. I'm not bothered now what is happening there because I know one thing, that humanity doesn't work. What works is only reporting relationships. Oh my God, what a strong belief one person has developed because of experience. Now, how will you change this belief? Especially people at the age of 50 who have got huge knowledge about corporate world, life, they have great experiences. And in this case, which I told you, coach used one technique, that is seeing develops new beliefs. When this person made those 11 people who have seen their businesses going down and bouncing back, the person got a belief that I can also bounce back. Am I making sense here, everyone? Right? So we say seeing is believing. You have to show the success, and that is what will happen. Another very important thing in belief shifting activity, everyone, authority impacts. Authority means these all people were founders, directors, CEOs of their companies. So they have an authority. When the authoritative people tells you something, you get impacted. Do you agree with me? Your mother must have said something to you. Your parents must have said something to you. But when teachers used to say, you used to agree. Correct me if I'm wrong. And your parents used to say that boss, टीचर्स को रिक्वेस्ट करते थे, टीचर्स आप ही बताओ या आपका सुनता है, मेरी नहीं सुनता है. क्यों? बिकॉज उसमें अथॉरिटी है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज सीइंग helps to develop new beliefs. Second, authority impacts in coaching or changing the beliefs. Is that fine with everyone? As a coach, don't attack the beliefs that no, ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है. Don't say that. Very important it is, accept the beliefs that yes, that happens. But give new evidences. New evidences. New evidences means through reading, by meeting new people, by showing some movies and case studies. Are you getting my point, everyone? Don't challenge. Like, for example, some people come and say, for example, one woman leader says that, oh, there is a gender biasness. No, it is only in your mind. You're challenging her belief. People will get into defensive mode then. So what do? We say, yes, there is. However, what do you think? How other women must have gone ahead? Are you with me? So you are giving new evidences. So we have seen 3 techniques just now, or 3 steps when you work around beliefs. 1, seeing helps to build new beliefs. Second, we have seen authority impacts beliefs. And third, we have seen do not challenge the current beliefs, but show the new evidences. Making sense to everyone here?